Welcome to Ikigai Meditations. Find a comfortable position where you can sit or lie down and won't be disturbed. Gently close your eyes and take 3 deep cleansing breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Continue to breathe deeply and slowly, allowing your body to relax with each breath. I'd like you to gently bring your awareness to your bladder, located in the pelvis, situated just behind the pubic bone. Visualize your bladder as a soft, round balloon nestled comfortably in your lower abdomen. As you breathe in, imagine a soothing white light traveling down to your bladder, surrounding it with a glow of beautiful glittering light. And with each exhale, feel this light going deeper and deeper into your bladder, starting to release any stagnant energies or discomfort in this area. Fill your entire bladder with pure white light. Picture it as a serene, calm lake, its surface smooth and undisturbed. The light radiates peace and relaxation. And as you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, direct your attention to the base of your bladder. Picture this area being bathed in warm, soothing light. And with each exhale, let the light soothe and relax the base of your bladder, leaving it feeling soft and calm. Gently imagine this pure white light flowing upwards along the sides of your bladder, Feel the warmth of the light traveling upwards, gently loosening any tight spots. Slowly move the light to the front of your bladder, which rests against your abdominal wall. Feel the light spreading across the whole front of your bladder, relaxing it completely. Sense the relaxation of your bladder deepening more and more. Now gently move the white light towards the back of your bladder, towards your spine. Visualize the calming white light relaxing every inch of this section, leaving no space for tension. And now slowly move your attention to the top of your bladder. Imagine the white light flowing into this area, soothing, softening, and relaxing it completely. Your entire bladder is now completely relaxed, functioning smoothly and comfortably. Take a moment to send gratitude to your bladder for all the work it does for you. Take one more deep breath in and out. Know that your bladder is calm and any tension has been released. In your own time, you can slowly come back into the room, knowing that you can return to this meditation when you feel the need to relax and calm your bladder. Take a nice deep stretch if you want. And in your own time, slowly open your eyes